everyone, in this video we are going to see the concepts of Venn diagram. Venn diagram is also known as set theory. So set theory in the sense the given object is written in the format of set. Set A, set B, set C. This is the example. So let's see how we can calculate the elements belong to the respective sets. We'll see one by one. Yes, in this is your very first introduction of number of elements that belong to set X only. So here this circle is indicated X, set X, and this circle is indicated set Y, and this circle is indicated set Z. Now your question is, the whole circle is denoted by set X, only element which is belong to X only. That element should not belongs to Y and Z. So A is the answer, only X. The element A is the answer for this question. We'll move on to your next. Yes, number of elements that belongs to set X. Yes, the whole round, that is the whole circle represented by X. So in this X, what are the elements is available for A, D, G, F. So if it is only X means A alone. So in this way the shaded area is indicated only X. The whole area is indicated X. Okay, we'll move on to your next question. Now, number of elements that belong to set X plus Y only. So here the shaded area determined X only. This shaded area determined Y alone. So how many elements are there? A, comma, B. This is your answer. Next example. So number of elements that belong to set X, Y, Z. What are the elements belongs to X? So A, D, G, F. What are the elements belong to Y? B, D, G, E. We can write X plus Y means we want to compare both the elements. Need not to repeat anything. So A, D, after that G, F, E, after that B. This is the elements which is belong to X plus Y. Okay, we'll move on to your next question. Number of elements that belongs to set Y plus Z only. The shaded area determined only X. The shaded area determined only B. So answer is B, comma C. This is your answer. Now we'll move on to your next. Now your question is, number of elements that belong to set X plus Z only. So here only X means the A alone is the only X, and similarly element C alone is only Z. A and C is the element which is belong to only X and Z. Only the word is very important. While C or only, you want to carefully take the value. Okay, we'll move on to your next question. Now, number of elements that belongs to set X plus Y plus Z. Entire element is known as X plus Y plus Z. No need to repeat the letters again and again. So I am writing here A, B, C, after that D, F, E, after that G. These are the elements which is belongs to the entire set X, Y and Z. This is the example of how we can calculate the elements with respect to the given set, that is X, Y and Z. Only the word is very important. So thank you for watching.